Let's make delicious spring rolls using Wheafree Maida replacer, corn flour and rice noodles. For the filling, boil water in a pan. Add Wheafree rice noodle cake to it. Add a teaspoon of oil. Boil it till the noodles are partially cooked. Drain off the water. Rinse the noodles with cold water. Heat oil in pan on high flame. Add garlic. Add carrots. Add capsicum. Add spring onions. Add cabbage. Stir and cook for 2 minutes on high flame, while keeping the vegetables crunchy. Add salt. Add pepper. Mix the vegetables properly. Add vinegar. Add gluten-free soy sauce. Add gluten-free chili sauce. Stir well. Add the cooked Wheafree rice noodles. Stir with light hands. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Take it out and keep aside. Making the sheets. Take Wheafree Maida replacer in mixing bowl. Add Wheafree corn flour. Add salt. Add water. Mix well using a whisk. Make sure there are no lumps. The batter should be of pouring consistency. Heat a flat non-stick pan. Pour a ladle full of batter. Spread it evenly and cook on slow flame. Cook until the top gets dry, then turn and cook the other side. Remove on a plate and keep aside for further use. Making the corn flour slurry. Take Wheafree corn flour in a bowl. Add water. Mix into a smooth paste. For frying, take a spring roll sheet and place a spoonful of prepared stuffing. Fold over from one side tightly till it reaches half the sheet. Fold the sides like an envelope, leaving no air pockets. Apply corn flour slurry around the corners. Press and seal the edges. Insert 2 toothpicks to hold it together. Deep fryer. Heat oil in a wok. Deep fry the spring rolls until they turn light golden brown. Serve hot with gluten-free tomato ketchup.